Hi guys, I know everyone is facing the same issue after the Kodular new update. Whenever we import any AI file, we are facing some issue in the color palette. So how you can fix it? First of all, we have to install a software named 7zip here. You can download it from here, or I will give a link in the description of this video. Okay. Actually, I already have installed this software, so I'm not installing it. Okay, I'm closing it. So what we have to do is go to the file manager and right click on that AI file and then open it with a 7zip. Okay, so I have opened it. Now go to this third folder, young Android project. Okay, then project properties. Okay, open it first. Actually, I'm using VS Code. You can open it using Notepad or anything else like Notepad++. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to remove this line, only this line. Okay, don't remove anything else. So I'm removing it. Now just simply save it and now close it. But you have to save changes in this file also. Okay, then what you have to do is click the OK button and it's updated. So now the issue is solved. Okay, so now let's check if it is actually solved. Okay, because this AI file was not working, so now we will change the name of this file, version 2, and we'll import it again. Let's import it here. Now the AI file is imported. Now we'll check if the colors palette is working or not. So let's see. Yeah, it's working fine. This was very simple but a bit annoying because whenever you will import any project, you have to do this. So it's not good. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.